Hello everyone. I am Raza here. I'm a founder and director of the Peace Mind Services. Today, I would like to give a demo about the teen entrepreneurship training and mentoring program, and why this is important for the teenagers, and till what extent is going to be helpful to the teenagers to learn this thing and start their own startup company. I'm sure that if you are entrepreneurs, so you might be knowing the worth of doing this kind of training and mentoring program of the entrepreneurship. If you are not entrepreneurs, then you have also some idea that till what extent is going to helpful to the children. If you don't do anything else, no problem. Today I'm going to help uh, giving you the right informations, and of course it's going to be helpful to the child's future. If you are teachers, principal, academic directors, or entrepreneurs, students, or parents, anyone, I'm going to discuss in a simple manner where each and every person can understand, and you will understand the concept of doing this kind of training and mentoring programs. For your information, I would like to tell you that in Western country is very popular. So they give. They believe that every child can become entrepreneurs. Every child having the potential to become entrepreneurs, but if we give chance to them. So this is the things are there. So many things are today I would like to discuss. So listen carefully. Don't forward this video, because if you forward this video, it might not understanding to you later point of time, because you're not connecting to the dots. You are simply forwarding the points, so you may misunderstand. And I would suggest you that this is all about child's future. So kindly keep the kindly pay the attention or each and every point. Even though if you have any kind of clarifications, you can comment below this video, or you can also call me directly, and you can also clarify your doubts. Not an issue for this. Okay. Yeah, just I want to tell you this. I want to play some to you PPT where that you will understand very easily. Yes. You can see here that Peace Mind Services partner with the Tinovo Incorporations. What is Tinovo Incorporations? What is Peace Mind? Peace Mind, Indian-based company. We are going to provide training to the teenagers with the help of Tinovo Incorporation. Tinovo Incorporation is the academic partner or the partner with us, where we can train to the every teenager in India. And you can see below Teen Agile Startup. This is a system concern of the Tinovo Corporations. So I will give you detail later once we start the video now to you. Okay. So now, just before starting, we should understand that whom should we target, what our market size. We should understand each and everything very well. Just I'm giving you the glimpse because we are giving the fact of Indian market, Indian society, Indian cultures. I'm talking about that. So we can see the Indian adolescent is 10 to 19 years old is highest in the world. China is having highest number of population in the world. I agree with you. But in terms of adolescent age, that is 10 to 19 years old, highest in the world is in India. China, they have controlled the birth rate, but India is still not controlled. Due to these reasons, population of India is increasing dynamically. Okay, so I'm giving the current scenario of the Indian market that India is having the highest number of adolescent age in the world. I will use the term adolescent or a teenager for info, both are same. So please don't get confused. What is adolescent and teenagers? Okay, so just I'm talking about here that population exactly whatever having in India, it forms about 35% of India's populations, which is 45 crore. 45 crore that we having populations of adolescent age in India. You can imagine getting job difficult task nowadays. If there is a 2-3 vacancy, then hundred and thousands of people will apply for the same position. It is difficult for the interviewer the whom to select, whom to reject. There is always cutthroat competitions. So you can imagine nowadays this much difficult. What would be the situation after 10 years or 20 years down the line? If your children that is now teenagers, they will become adults after a few years. So that time, how will you manage? So that are the things are keeping into mind all this point. And today I would have discussed that why this course is worth. You will satisfy yourself after end of this video. Even though if you don't satisfy, so I would request that kindly give call to me, or you can write to us. We will able to give a reply properly to you. Okay, so just for our understanding, I made here video here. If you talk just 5% of the 45 crore, huh? If you talk 5% of 45 crore, why I have taken 5 crore? Just for our study purpose. I have taken this for sample purpose to understand, to make you understand all this thing to you. That if you take just 5% also, it forms 2.25 crore adolescent age. I believe, I assume that 5% might be entrepreneurs, might be highly qualified persons, might be businessmen, might be a highly qualified working in a good school colleges. They know the concept of the entrepreneurship. They know the worth of doing this kind of courses. Or if the person working any company, maybe IT sector, non-IT sector, any kind of sector they're working, but they have dream to start their own company after a few years. Might be he or she will be very qualified persons and join some company, working for the some company, say a few years they're working. After they come to know some good idea, good thought, that they have good thought and idea, they want to start their own startup company also. So the whole process is totally waste of time, because longer duration is going to waste the time. If we are going to train at the beginning stage of the life of the children, we can say teenager stages, so they will understand each and every concept very well. You might be having to mind that uh, why the early ages children required to do this kind of courses. They can do, let them study first. Let them study till 10th. After 10th, they will decide which stream they want to choose, either as arts, science, commerce, or any stream, whatever they like. They let, after doing this thing, uh, they will think themselves that what they want to become the life. We don't want to interfere. Yes, I agree with you completely all this point. But if you are not giving support, if you are not showing the path, if you're not going option, which is the best option, we can say that entrepreneurs. So he never or she never can become entrepreneur in the futures. If they want to become us in the future, it will be too late. Let them do some experiment now itself. If the person make mistakes, then they will learn. So, and as per the scientist says that child's brain develop 90% at the age of 6 years only. After 6 years, rest time only 10% brain develop. It means that child can able to understand each and every concept at the age of 6 years only. But we want proper guidance to the teachers. We can give proper mentorship to the children. Then whatever they want to do, they can do in their life at the early ages. Hope you got my point. Okay, so I will discuss all these things later to you. Yeah. Before that, I want to discuss about challenges, how the Indian market, how the Indian students, parents, and almost all the people are facing the problem in Indian market. So first in that, concerned parent employment outlook for teens. See what happen, most of the parents, they are worrying about the children's future, but they are not supporting at the early ages what they want to become in the life. They are not giving many options to choose the path, which path they want to go ahead. As I told them sometime back, let them pass the class 10th. Let them choose whatever they want to do after that. Whatever they want, they can do it. But it's too late. It means that we are not giving option to them. And entrepreneurship is nothing but father of the all the profession in the world. Entrepreneurship, only person can, we can say that entrepreneur only person getting the highest profit. Some few portion amount profit they will distribute among the employees. They are entrepreneurs enjoying all the benefit whatever they're getting in the company. I understand sometimes suffer loss. I understand, but that's the exceptional cases. Forget about this. But I'm talking about the scenario how the world working as per the entrepreneurship training and mentoring programs. So to start all this thing, we have to learn very well. We have to learn with the expert. So I'm going to tell everything to you. So next challenges is that lack of global platforming promoting the teen entrepreneurships. You will not see anywhere in India that there is a global platform for promoting the teen entrepreneurship training and mentoring programs. If you go to Western country, they are asking to the children what will they like and dislike, which field, which area they're interested. Based upon also they support theirs. Let them study as per syllabus, whatever syllabus are there. But apart from this, just like extracurricular activities, they are supporting. Uh, Parents are supporting to the children to achieve something in their life. And I'm sure that you will not see anywhere in India any kind of syllabus that entrepreneurship syllabus also attached in a syllabus of teenagers. If you come across, then I would really happy to know from your side. If you below comment, if you're where have you seen that 10 to 19 years having the entrepreneurship training courses they are providing with practical learnings, then I will really happy. I will really admire such institute or some schools or some parents who are giving that theoretical plus practical training, also funding to the company also of the teenagers also. Anyway, come to the next challenge. Next challenge is 3: lack of options, passive learning in school educations, government support or local chapters. There is no any kind of support that you will get it. Okay, if we talk about our school system, school affiliated with the CBSE board, ICSE board, IGC board, or any kind of board talking about it, any state board that they are affiliated. So students are bound to get good marks in the examination. To get the good marks in the examination, they have to study the syllabus as prescribed by the board, maybe CBSE, ICSE, IGSE, or state board. But we never ask to the children that which area or which field they are interested apart from the syllabus. This is the biggest challenges that everyone facing in India. We are directly or indirectly forcing to the children to get good marks in the examination. If the children want to pass in the examination, they have to write in the examination as per the prescribed board. So you know better what is right or wrong they are doing. You can decide. You can also comment below all this thing too. Next, talking about challenges 4. Current education system is designed to produce employees, not an entrepreneurs. Whatever syllabus that you're seeing, as I told you that if you go to any school, any board, you will not see this kind of entrepreneurship training programs. Few school, we can say maybe international school, highly famous school, I'm talking in the city level, they might be having some glimpse of the entrepreneurship, but never they teach in depth to the children. No one give the practical trainings. Suppose children having new concept and idea to start some startup company, no one support also in terms of fund. If they produce other product or service also by the children's, they're difficult how to sell in the market. No one supporting them. These are many challenges that you will face in Indian market. Okay. Now, coming about the Tinovo Incorporations. What is Tinovo Incorporation? Tinovo Incorporation is a Canada-based company, as I told you that. It's a global immersive social enterprise platform that connects and educates pre-teens and teen entrepreneurs and students to empower their future. So Tinoine Corporation having the branches in UK, USA, Australia, South Africa, Egypt, and other country of the world. So this company especially giving training to the teenagers where they can learn the theoretical plus practical. If they need fund to start the company, we're also raising fund on behalf of the teenagers to start the company. After that, even though they have produced the even if they produce the product or services, we are also supporting them how to sell in the market, doing branding, doing marketing for the product services, we're selling in the market. So 100% they are learning the practical things. So I will show the how many teenagers around the world they are running the companies. They are running the startup company. What's the company name? How much they have made profit out of that? Their success story, everything I will tell you end of this video. Kindly keep an eye of all these slides. Yes, to start any company, we want backbone, right? These are 3% of the backbones that running the company successfully. So you can see Mary Olson, she is a media head of my company. So if you talk about her background, she is running the child's development program in Canada. She's running the TV channel programs in Canada, child's development programs. She also giving the hints to the children regarding branding and marketing of the product or services. Second one, talking about Dr. Vivian Johnson. She is our academic head. So if you talk about her background, she is the highest prestigious award winner in the field of academic in Canada. In terms, if you talk about in simple terms, she won the Nobel Prize in the field of education. Such kind of great personality persons are here who can train the trainers and trainers can teach to the students. She will also train to the teachers of the school. Same teachers can train to the students. She will provide us like guidebook. She will mentor to the trainers. She will give training online through Zoom or anything talking about here. Now, talking last one, Roshan Shah. He is the uh, serial entrepreneur. He manages many portfolio, and he will the person will guide to the children if any kind of a concept or idea to the children, but how to implement, how to start the company, how to involve the process of developing stages of the company, everything he will guide to the children to start everything. So he is the person will give the practical training to the children. Okay, just I'm giving some glimpse about the Dr. Vivian Johnson. So as I told that she won the scholar award in Canada, just like she won the Nobel Prize. Okay, she will coach to the trainers. Who's the trainers here? Actually, we have two concepts here: B2B and B2C. In B2B, we tie up with the schools. Top, not normal school. We tie up only with top most CBSE or ICSE or IGC board school, and she will train directly through online to the teachers of the schools, most eligible teachers who are qualified person who can teach to the students very well of entrepreneurship and all. So she will train to that teachers, as same teacher will train to the students. She is the person developing the curriculum as per the age group. She is having vast experience, more than 40 years in the field of academics. She will prepare and she will share with the teachers, will give training, and a same teacher can train to the students. Now I'm coming here about the business model, how we work on LEAP models. L stand for learnings, E stand for experimental engagement, A stand for access to the global network, P stand for promoting the startup company. Now, I'm talking about here that learning is by giving training through online or offline. One thing I want to tell you that right currently, uh, that we are going to train to the teachers in the school as same teacher is going to train to the students. If the person will join individually with us, okay, so due to the government instruction, we cannot teach them face to face. Meaning physical class will not available. We can teach only through online. Once the government give the notification that we can conduct classes offline, then we can conduct. But for time being, we are teaching through online. Just for your information, you might be knowing, even though I have told you once again to you. Okay. Now, next come experimental engagement. Once you learned the theoretical aspect of the training, now it's time for the prove your capabilities. That is nothing but this is for the practical learning we are learning here. So what happened here? These are we are just like association of the teenagers here. Means they are doing experiment here. They are learning the practical things here. Here we will find entrepreneurs, investors, and students' parents. They're also giving the idea, just like give and take idea to the children. What kind of thing the concept they want to start with the company. Let them start at the early ages. So here what happened? We are giving the role play to the each and every child, and we are giving 100% chance to each and every child to start their own startup company also. If they want fund to start the company also, we are also raising fund on behalf of the teenager to run the company successfully. Here what happened? Now just I'm giving some example to you that okay. Suppose some children want to start some software company. Some children want to start some toy selling company based upon their idea and concept. Some of the children want to start some hygienic food, like we can say hygienic samosa. We can say they want to start, they want to sell in the market. For example, I'm talking anything. For example, just if they want to sell the hygienic samosa, just for your understanding, so I'm giving some example that if they want to start selling samosa, just for information, means hygienic samosa they want to sell it, not normal samosa as you sell, you see the roadside they're selling, not like that. Means full packed hygienic samosa and delivering to the customers on doorstep. So what happened? So we are giving the role play to the each and every child. So we can form the group. Suppose we will giving the designation as a director of the company. Some children will be the CFO of the company, CTO of the company, CEO of the company, VP of the company. Based upon the strength, our mentor is going to recommend. After that, we form the group, we form the company, and they have to start the work learning services. Suppose initially they want rupees 1 lakh to start the company. Children doesn't have money to start the company. So here we are raising fund on behalf of the teenager from our entrepreneurs, our investor, our network. We will provide rupees 1 lakh to the children's. Okay, and that money is the seeds capital for the company. So whatever the we have assigned task or role to the teenagers, let them play it, let them do it 100%. So let them start. Suppose if they're talking about samosa making process, so they have to cook samosa first. Before they have to purchase raw materials like wheat, potato, any vegetables, oil, everything required. They will purchase it. After purchasing, they will appoint some cook who can cook very well, very tasty food. Again, the person will be hygienic things, packing the things, and next will deliver to the customer. This long process will take time. So all the suppose 4 persons are there in this team, in this group. So they are monitoring from beginning to end till the samosa sold to the consumer. So they are learning their practical things, how to deal with the persons, how to purchase the raw materials, what is the process required to deliver the goods. Many things they are going to learn. So what happens? Suppose after 1 year, So every day they are making these things. They are not actively here because they are still studying in school colleges. They are doing as per the instruction by the mentors. So they are selling samosa, delivering to the persons very high, good, means good pack. They will pack very attractive pack. They're selling samosa and providing to the customers. So after 1 year, for the example, they have made sales of 10 lakh rupees. They have made sales of 10 lakh rupees. So what happened? Initially 1 lakh given by the investors, 1 lakh rupees. So their priority that they have to return back rupees 1 lakh to the investors. Balance rupees 9 lakh is the profit for them. So among four teenagers, they can distribute among all those four guys. So here, our idea behind it that it's not big business they're doing. They're not going to become big entrepreneurs, but they are learning the process of the entrepreneurship. If the children is able to sell samosa nowadays at early ages, are making profit 9 lakh, you can imagine that what will situation after 10 years, 20 years down the line. If the person is able to manufacture samosa and sell to the customer, same teenager entrepreneur also can manufacture the automobile company. They can sell just like Ferrari car, because we are pouring the knowledge of entrepreneurship in the brain of the children. How to handle the situations, how to handle the query of the customers, what's the demand of the product or services, how they have to satisfy to the customer demand. Many more things that we are going to train to the children. So children here are going to learn the practical things. Our concern here that this is not just like theoretical things. They are learning the practical things, whole process. If the children is able to sell samosa, same children can able to sell Ferrari car also in the future, Audi car also in the future. So this is the concept having for this, that everyone is going to learn and they are going to get benefit out of that. Okay, next I'm coming here that here access to the global networks. As we know that technology or information is the what's a global village. So here what when this concept what when we are going to connect to the teenager around the world. How many teenagers are there in my systems are like-minded whose idea or objective wants to become entrepreneur in the futures. We are bringing to this single platform, that is our platform here, where they can exchange the thought and knowledge. In other words, we can say that this is just like LinkedIn for the teenagers. They can exchange the thought and knowledge, they can give and take. And also there will be also the entrepreneur there, investor will be also there. If they like good idea of any of the children's, they can invest crores together although. If the investors they like the idea of any of the teenagers, they can invest crores together also. It depends upon the situation how they face. So our idea behind that we are bringing to the all the teenagers around the world where they can come into single platform. They can learn the concept of the entrepreneurship. They can give and take the knowledge of the entrepreneurship. Each and every child will get the login ID and password. So yeah, they have to handle very efficiently. There are things are there. Okay. Now, last one is the promoting your startup. As I told that once the product or service produced by the teenagers company, the problem is how to sell in the market. Producing, we can produce tons, millions of the goods or services. Sorry, goods we can produce. We can give services, but selling is a very difficult task. Ultimately, the person who's going to purchase or consume themselves, this is the biggest challenges that you have to make them understand. So do nothing to worry. As I have shown to you that we have that teenagerstartup.com website. We are promoting the startup of the teenager company here. You can see that we are conducting interview, we are doing this, we're telling the stories, success stories, we are conducting the marketplace, branding, podcast, many more things I have to show. We are going to promote the product or service of the teenager where they can sell in the market very easily. So here, just I'm giving you a glimpse of all the things. L stand for learning, that we going to train them theoretical aspect. E stand for experimental engagement, thus they are learning the practical things. Plus, if they want fund to start the company, we are also raising fund for the teenagers company. And A for access to the global network, where we are connecting to the teenager around the world. And last for people promoting your startup. Once the product or service took place, we are placing in the market successfully. All these things that we do means end-to-end services, A to Z service that we are giving to the our teenager entrepreneurship. Now we have training model, as I told you that we have B2B model, B2C model. B2B, we are going to tie up with the top most school in the city, NGO, any kind of community here. B2C, we are giving the individual personalized training 1 to 6 and 1 to 1. 1 to 6 means a group of 6 children only. We have a tiny group here, 1 to 6. And sometimes parents are so serious, they will tell that teach my children, only one children, one faculty, 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 also available. Okay, so the major difference is that B2B to B2C is that in B2B, Dr. Vivian Johnson is going to train the teachers of the school here. Our same teachers can teach to the students, but B2C we have own personalized trainer, maybe from the industry background, industry expert. They will train the children of 1 to 6 or 1 to 1 group. Here, cost of the course will be very high, a very less nominal fees. Even here, in a daily wages earner also can afford the program. Okay, so what happened here that training will what happened there, Dr. Vivian Johnson is going to provide the courses materials, teachers guides, activity sheets and assessments. This thing is going to provided by the trainer Dr. Vivian Johnson to the teachers or the appointed our trainers who is going to train to the students. These things are there. Okay, what do we expect from the schools? First thing that most eligible teachers from the school, they can recommend from the management side, or principal can recommend to the teachers who are fit for training train to the students like this. And same management or principal must encourage to the students and parents. They should give the what's say a kind of seminar, a kind of awareness to the parents that what's the worth of doing this kind of courses. The things are there. What they are getting benefit is school or colleges. So whatever here they that is a unique and advanced training courses. None of them having in India that they are going to provide this kind of training. We are the sole company that we are providing this kind of trainings. I can say, if you come to know about any company providing the theoretical, practical, whatever tools so far, then I will really, I'm thankful to you that for giving the this wonderful information to me. But as per my knowledge, I think none of the company having in India that they are covering, they are providing this kind of training. Okay, like this will increase the demand of the school in the city, which school or colleges or institute we tied up is going to demand. Suppose one school is there, we can say that this school also provide the teen entrepreneurship training and mentoring programs with practical knowledge. Also, company raising fund on behalf of the children also. So they will create the a kind of awareness among the parents in that city, and most of the parents will attract the school and they will tell that let my children join there. I let them learn something on the basic things. If the person is entrepreneurs, they will attract, they will come to know what is the worth of doing these courses. If the person is highly qualified person, even they know the worth, they will attract. If the person is working IT and non-IT company or any sector of the company, having 10 15 years down the line and having children, they know also worth of doing these courses. They will also send their children to join the courses. They can pay higher amount, no problem. Paying 5 10,000 doesn't make any sense. They can pay and let them join. So this will increase the demand of the school in the city. Next one, school can increase the fee if they wish. If the school want to increase the fee, they can. This is totally depends upon the management and how they think. If they want, they can. This we don't have any kind of objection for this. Supporting to the government by creating job. If one person become entrepreneurs, they will employ many person. Getting point. I shall give an example to you that one parents working in a company, see having a 20 years experience. Okay, so if the child learned these courses and they have started some product service as per the concept idea, if the product service clicked in the market, they are selling the market, same children can hire to their parents to work under him or her, because same money amount they're paying because he's entrepreneurs. Understanding my concept, at the early ages only they have habit how to start the new startup company and how to promote the company, because they have got trained with the professional how much money their parents earning some of the company, some x amount can paid by their children only. This is the best, difference between entrepreneurs and employee. Okay, so my concept here that here just supporting to the government by creating jobs. So if the one person become entrepreneurs, they can employ many people. So we are also indirectly supporting to the government in terms of creating job. Last one, affordable fees to every child. Labor category also can afford it. Very minimum amount is there. Even though daily wages earner can afford it, it's not a big thing. So you can consult me of all these things, and I will tell you that now, and I will see, I will show now the curriculum. This is very important. So you might be having to mind that what kind of a curriculum syllabus where children is going to learn here. Okay. First of all, I want to ensure that this is not just like the normal classes, because we are giving here activity based learning programs. We are giving the idea generation programs, so children can take great interest to learn everything, because we are not forcing to the child to study these things. Whatever having there into mind, any idea and concept they are having, let them implement it here. We are supporting them to achieve, so of course they will take great interest to learn. So anyway, this I'm going to show you that here syllabus. Hopefully that you can see it here that, yeah, so you can see here that we have total 9 module here to the age group of 10 to 14 years child. I'm so sorry, 10 to 14 years child. Okay, so class 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th standard can join these courses. For your information, this year we have launched only for 10 to 14 years. So next year that we have planned, not next year, after 6 months we have planned to launch for 14 to 19 years old also. For time being, we have launched in India 10 to 14 years olds. So you can see that we're having the syllabus here: entrepreneurship, stories of entrepreneurs, generating ideas. You can see what is salary, spending plans, creating budget, what is startup capital, what is profit and loss. I shall give an example to you that for your information, what is profit loss. See, we can explain to the scientists very well, they can understand very well, but same concept if you are going to explain to the children, they can't understand, because level of understanding scientists is different and children is different, so we cannot compare. Hope you got my point, right? Similarly concept come here that These are syllabus not just like MBA syllabus or any advanced syllabus, any entrepreneurship. They have developed the syllabus where we can teach the principle, law, theory, everything. We are not teaching. We are teaching simple thing where they can understand the real everything concepts. We are trying to give example as per the surrounding area, whatever they see, how they play, with whom they attract, how they face day-to-day life. Everything that we are going to tell them with the example of the all the syllabus, where they can understand each and every concept very easily. I shall give an example to you. What is profit loss? I can say that suppose I have daughter, I have given rupees 100 to get the chocolate in the shop. She went to the shop. She has purchased rupees 10 each, 10 chocolate, and she paid rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. And while coming back to home, she has lost two chocolate. So we can ask that how much money that you have lost. Getting my concept. So what when we are giving the day-to-day life related activities of how they do, where they can connect with their entrepreneurship skills. So like this, you can see each and every concept having depends upon their understanding capacity. We are coming to their level of understanding where they can learn, they can start the startup company so soon, where they can become big entrepreneurs in the futures. Okay, these are all our syllabus we have shown to you. This is totally 35 to 40 hours classes will be there. One more thing that this is not a very burden to the children, because we are going to provide training only 2 hours in a week, because it's not just a normal class talking about here. We are giving only 2 hours in a week, because it's totally activity based and RDI generation based having for this. And moreover, is not going to be a burden to the child, because they are already studying the syllabus of the schools, maybe CBSE, SSC, or just state board. So we don't want to become burden to the child, but this is just, we can say that this is just like extracurricular activities. There are plenty of having the courses in schools, extracurricular activities. This is also the best. I'm talking about that. I can strongly recommend to the principal, teacher, management, parents, students that they have to learn these things, because this is one of the best profession. We can say that entrepreneur is the father of the all the professions. Whatever you do in the life, whether you're doctors, engineers, IT, non-IT, anything, ultimately you want to become boss. Boss is nothing but entrepreneurs. So in this scenario, you should understand very well that time very important. Time factor very important. Don't waste your time as you wasted yourself. So don't allow your children to waste their times. Let them learn everything very early. Just they can start. You can see the concept is kind of having the mostly Marwadi, Gujarati people. They learn uh, from the beginning itself. If you see nearby having any Marwadi or Gujarati people, that you see this are concept having for this. So mostly people are impressed. I tell you frankly, this syllabus I discussed with the many top class person. They are appreciating these things. They are telling that we are looking badly this kind of courses for our children now. So I'm sure that you will also see this kind of feedback from the mostly parents, teachers, students, entrepreneurs, and many more persons. Okay, so now coming to the fee part, how much that we charging fee structure now. You can see here that for the individual school talking about here that, as I told that batch will be in school Vita at 20 to 25 students will be in a single batch. So we charge rupees 3,000 only. Just we charge rupees 3,000 per student per year, because syllabus will be 5 to 6 month courses to the children they have to study for this. Because Dr. Vivian Johnson will train the teachers of the students, and same teacher is going to train to the students. The benefit that teacher is getting trained by the highly qualified person in the world, free of cost. we are not charging to the any faculty or teachers. In case if you want my faculty, then I can also provide, but cost will be different. We have to add extra cost. You can consult me personally, then I will tell you how much we will charge for the our faculty while sending to the school for to train to the students. But so far we have planned that let us train to the teachers of the students, teachers of the schools, and same teacher can train to the students. Okay, so for the fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth standard, now they are eligible. They can start learning with this. Okay. Now we have now personalized instructor-led training. We have instructor, that we say mentor, that we have appointing, that we charge 1 to 6 students. I mean, group of 6 students, we charge 34,692. If the person really serious, they tell him we will say pay attention 100% to my child only. That's also one-to-one also available, that we charge 65,000. These are things are there. Now talking about, we have also membership fees. As I told that to learn the practicing, we have the association of the teenagers. So if they want to become member, then we charge fee 9,440 rupees for one year membership fees is also available. Hopefully this video helpful to you, that about the teen entrepreneurship training. You might be having many questions to mind. You can also consult me personally. My contact number is 888 438 1111. I shall repeat once again: 888 438 1111. This is my number. Otherwise, you can also write me also enquiry at the rate of peacemind.co.in. You can also write in this one. Otherwise, you can also comment below, and our team or myself, whenever I get time, I shall reply the things. I will try to consider you people also. Hopefully this video was this session was really impactful to you, and I'm sure that you don't have any kind of doubts. You usually really I think you're waiting this kind of courses for your children, and they want to become entrepreneurs in the futures. And everyone nowadays want to become entrepreneurs. Everyone wants to become own boss. They don't want to work under anybody else. Even though I'm talking about that, if you give more instruction to the child, they will listen to their things, because they want to become own boss. What will they think? They want to implement. Similarly, concept here that everyone wants to become entrepreneur here. So we are giving training, proper training with theoretical, practical, promoting, branding, funding, everything we are doing, giving to children where they will become perfect entrepreneurs. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Really happy. We want to see you again if you have any kind of clarification to me. Thank you. Thank you very much.